welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Arachnophobia Mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. To do that, go to Settings by either pressing F3 on your keyboard or clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen in the main menu of the game. Then go to Graphics, and in Graphics select the View tab. Now here you'll find the Arachnophobia Mode at the very top of the list, which swaps the models of vermin, zombies and spiders models to more friendly variants. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right, and to disable it, switch it to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.